bully?
No, it's a dinosaur.
A dinosaur.
That was fun, said Greg. It just made do this when I grow up.
Do you want to try to read?
It's over.
Aww.
Isn't that fun?
Oh,
Here, this is our first page. Let's try to read. Greg's class was putting on a skit. It's called a skit. Okay. Then what's next? Greg had what is it? To make a